Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one ingredient that will slow and stop hair fall. So keep watching. This is guava leaf, but we normally call it guava leaf. You can find it anywhere for those in Nigeria. I'll make use of the leaf only, so I'm removing it from the stalk. The leaf contains dirt, so make sure you wash it very well. Put water into a pot and allow to boil. Then put the leaves into the pot and allow to boil for 20 minutes. Guava leaves contain vitamin C and vitamin B. It promotes healthy scalp. It slows down and stops hair fall. This is a natural remedy. It has no side effects. You can do your research to get more information about these guava leaves. If you have used this guava leaf on your hair before, let me know in the comment section. And if you have not used it, feel free to try it out and let me know how your hair feels. As the guava leaves keep boiling, you will notice that the color of the leaves are changing. You also notice that the color of the water is changing. It has boiled for 20 minutes and I've allowed the water to cool down for 30 minutes. So I'm going ahead to sieve it out. This is how the water looks like after boiling. It is light brown in color. So guys, this is all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share, subscribe and comment. See you all in my next video.